Well, hello guys, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox, what we're going to do today is I've got a 2010 Craftsman mower and I'm going to swap out mower deck spindles and blades. So let's come over here and check it out. Well, here's the mower. It's a YTS 3000. It's bought it in March of 2010. And the only reason why I could remember that is I had a sticker under the hood to help me remember how long I had it. What I'm going to do is put these spindles and blades on the mower deck, and going to see if I can extend the life of this mower just a little bit longer. This is a 42-inch cutting deck, and it's going to be pretty straightforward. I'll take this nut off, and then I'll remove the 4 mounting bolts and blade, and the spindle should just drop right on down through the bottom. I've gone ahead and I've zipped 3 of the bolts already loose, and this will be the 4th one. And they were frozen, every one of them, into that aluminum housing, so they just snapped off. So no big deal, I have new bolts. Well, here's the old spindle, and blade and all just dropped out. I'm going to get ready to install the new one, and I'll put the blade on later. Alright, now it's ready to tighten up. Well, this was a couple of more little setbacks on the project, and when I got ready to install my pulleys, they fit the shaft real loose. So I had to get online and order a couple more pulleys from that same company to make sure they fit the shaft on those. Well, I got the blades installed in the new spindles, and got the blades nice and level. Something that I wasn't that crazy about, I had to actually space this one down just a little bit with some washers, but everything looks good right now. Well, our new pulleys came in, and I've got them torqued down good, and looks like they're going to fit real nice. I've got my belt on there, and so we're going to slide the deck under the mower and see how this goes. Well, we got the mower deck back under there and everything adjusted. That went pretty well. So now I'm going to take it out, and I'll just see how level it cuts and see if it works any better than it did. Well, took it out here to the yard and was just going to do a few test strips, and before you know it, I was in full-blown mower mode. And so anyway, looks like it's going to do okay. No funny strips or anything that it's leaving, so looks like it's going to work pretty good. So anyway guys, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.